Hello people, I'm Jabaz and you are watching ICT Nerds. Let's simplify. So today we learn about how to install Windows 11 or any operating system in our VM VirtualBox. So what you can do, double click on your shortcut icon. Alright, it is open. So what we need to select, there is a two option. You can select machine and new, or you can see your right side there is a new. So wherever you want to click you will land on a new pop-up window. So this is our page over there. We need to give some input. We are going to install Windows 11, so I'm going to select here right Windows 11, and folder you can left by default, or wherever you want to save your VirtualBox operating system. So in ISO image, I'm going to select my ISO image. I save in my download folder, and you can select wherever you save accordingly. So this is my Windows 11 ISO image, which is I imported, and edition will be by default, type version will be by default, and I'm going to select skip because of unnecessary information. I'm going to skip. So next, your RAM, which is by default, I'm going to select, and CPU, one CPU, two CPU core, I'm going to select, and EFI special OS, okay, I'm going to select it. Then next, or here I'm going to select only 15 GB. You can select virtual hard disk as per your requirement and create a virtual hard disk. Okay, you can select next. Further options you can choose according to your need. I don't need, I just need virtual hard disk separate, so I'm going to create. So next, and you can check summary of your selected options and verify whatever you want to choose. I already selected as per my requirement, so I'm going to finish. Okay, a virtual configuration for Windows 11 installation I selected, and we can cross verify general system, display, storage, audio and everything. Now I'm going to start. So I'm going to start my Windows 11 installation process. See, VM up, powering up. So it is started powering up, and it will take some time to start installation process. Wait for the same. See, we have a new pop-up window, and it's started. Make it big screen, and view option you can click on full mode, and there is other options too. You can select accordingly. Press any key. Yeah, VirtualBox is started. Wait, see, our Windows iOS is loading for installation process. See, now we need to select, I'm selecting by default here. Next, install now. Setup is starting. In our case, we don't have a product key, so I'm going to click here. I don't have a product key. I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro. So you can choose according to your choice and flavor. Next, and accept license. Next, and custom Windows Advanced. So see, it is showing allocated space. By clicking on new, you can apply and it become allocated. It will take some time. See, it is become allocated and create multiple partition according to the means. By default it's created virtual, so we need to select maximum one, partition 3, and next. See, our Windows 11 is started installing, so we need to wait and follow the all the instruction accordingly. I already explained Windows 11 installation process in my previous video. So wait for the same and follow the instructions as per the means Windows instructions, so you can install Windows accordingly. So you need to follow all the instruction according to the pop-up will appear during the installation process. Windows 11 uh, installation process I already explained in my previous video, so don't worry if you have a confusion. You can go through the previous videos and follow the all the instruction, and you can easily install Windows 11 in your VirtualBox. And in my case, we need to wait, and when I will finish my installation process, I will show you the interface of Windows 11 in VirtualBox environment. See, we are about to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox, so still we need to wait for the same. Now you can see we successfully installed our Windows 11 in our VM VirtualBox environment. You can see, and we can use it. Well, if you have any query and problem, please connect with me on my email ID, uh, ictnerds@gmail.com. Please do not forget subscribe and like. Thank you.